In our chapter sets, we are learning operations on sets. In last period, we have learned the intersection of two sets. Now, in this period, we will learn disjoint sets and union of two sets. So, first we will learn disjoint sets. Now we will learn disjoint sets. Now, see here, two sets are here. Set A, the elements are 1, 3, 5, 9. And elements of set B are 2, 4, 8. Now, if we observe these two sets, not a single element is common in both the sets. That means both the separate sets are completely separate. Not a single element is common here, and such sets are called disjoint sets. Such sets are called disjoint sets, and these sets we can show these sets using Venn diagram. Suppose this is set A, set B. The elements of set A 1, 3, 5, 9, 2, 4, 8. So, such sets are called disjoint sets. Now, union of two sets. For example, here two sets are given. Set A, the elements are -1, -3, -1, 0. Set B, elements are 0, 3, 5. Now, I will write the third set and I will take the elements in this third set from A and B. That means all elements from A and B I will collect together here and I will write this set. So here -1, -3, -5, 0, 3, 5. Now here the element 0 in both the sets. But so while taking union set, so you have to take only one time, because in the set there is no repetition of element. So here, so this set is called the union set of A and B, and in symbol it is written as, this is a symbol for union. A union B is equal to -1, -3, -5, 0, 1, 3 and 5. This way, this is for the union of two sets. That means A union B is equal to B union A. That means you can write like this: A union B is equal to B union A. In this way. So the definition of union of two sets is here: let A and B be two given sets, then the set of all elements of A and B is called the union of two sets, and it is written as A union B by this symbol and read as A union B. So here we can write A union B as A union B is a set of all x such that X is element of A or X is element of B. So now we'll take the second example. Now example 2. Now see, figure is given here. A universal set is given there in the figure, and A and B are two subsets of universal set. It is shown by Venn diagram. Now the question is, observe the Venn diagram and write the following sets using listing method. First, universal set. So you write universal set here. So here all the elements from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the next is second. Set A. Now this is set A. So elements of set A are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set A. The third is set B. Set B. So elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. One, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Set B. Now the fourth is A union B. So elements of A and B together, A union B. So here we get the elements here. All these elements we have to write here together, but do not, there is no repetition of elements. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. See elements of A, elements B. And fifth is A intersection B. Set A, set B. The intersection means the common elements of both the sets. So 8 and 10 are common elements. So here the A intersection B is equal to, the elements are 8 and 10 only. Only these two elements are common. Okay, now the next is complement of A, that means A dash. 6. Complements of A, that means the elements which are not in set A but they are in universal set. That means these elements are of A, remaining elements will be in the complement of set A. That means elements which are not the element of A but they are elements of universal set. So the remaining elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. One, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now next is complement of B. That means the elements which are not in B but they are in universal set. That means 2, 6, 4, 11, 12, 9. 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12. Now, head. Complement of A union B. So here A union B, we have written the set A union B. The complement of A union B means the elements which are not in A union B but they are in universal set, and those elements are 9, 11, 12. 9, 11, 12. These elements are not in the union of A and B but they are the elements of universal set. And the last is A intersection B. Complement of A intersection B. That means the elements which are not in the complement of the elements which are not in the intersection of A union A and B but they are in the universal set. So those elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12. We will write again. Complement of A intersection B. That means 8 and 10, these two elements are in the intersection of A and B. So these elements are not in the intersection of B, but these elements are in the universal set. So this set is A intersection B, complement of A intersection B. In this way, you can write the sets. Now in this way, there is another one third example here solved. You go through that example, and in next period we will study the number of elements in the set, and we will solve some word problems on the set.